Having Microsoft in your portfolio. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Antoaneta. This is the same channel that suits you all your investments, finance management, stock, all lifestyle information, business, all this motivation needs as well. If you are yet to subscribe, please do so and you will never miss my weekly videos. If you're not new, your likes, shares and comments will motivate me to do more. It takes a lot to get these videos going and your support is essential to me. Be informed that all the information in this video is correct by the 18th of August 2020. If you would like to get more information about how to invest, then please check out my previous post about stock investment for beginners in 2020. Without delay, let's begin to find out why Microsoft is a stock to have on your portfolio. Having added Microsoft to my investments 2 years ago, it thus far performed really well. It has been exciting to have them in my portfolio and I'm planning to add more in the long term as they remain one of the best companies with excellent dividends to be a good base of your portfolio. I believe it is a good company to hold on to. A recent report emerged about Microsoft and it's confirmed that there are talks to buy TikTok company. The confirmation of the deal must happen by the 15th of September. All these are indications that Microsoft is the stock to add to your portfolio. Microsoft is among the top leaders in the tech company. However, with the recent statement that was released in the line with buying the TikTok app owned by Chinese technology company, things are a bit sketchy. It remains unsure if Microsoft intends to buy the whole Chinese company or just the one located in the US. As the talk about finalizing this deal is still on, it's expected that if Microsoft successfully acquires it, they could resolve a recent controversial development in Washington, D.C. and have more influence in consumer technology. The development sparked an outrage when it was first published. Though choosing Microsoft as a company now on your portfolio is a good buy, in my opinion, obtaining a slice of TikTok will get it an added edge. Buy, sell or hold the Microsoft stock. Taking a look at Microsoft revenue in the past 8 years, there are things I've observed. The company has 3 major segments of the business. They are productivity and business processes, intelligent cloud and more personal computing. In the past 5 years, the mega business has gone up in value. According to the June report, Microsoft has a revenue of 38 billion, a rise above the expected 36 billion. It has a revenue growth of 13% on an annual basis in the quarter, which closes on the 30th of June. In contrast, 15% growth in revenue was seen in the quarter according to the released statement. Why you need to buy Microsoft? Acquisitions. Observing the growth of products and services of Microsoft, the numbers are exclusively wonderful, which shows the rapidness of growth level. Microsoft's main cloud business has been growing up well and continues to grow. In the quarter 4 by 2020, the products had grown of 47%. Dynamic products and cloud services had a growth of 13%. Office 365 commercial experienced a nice growth of 19%, excluding the traffic and cost of acquisition. The search ads made 18%. Server products and cloud services made 19%. Windows commercial and cloud services made 9%. A 67% growth was seen from the Xbox content and services as a result of attention of gamers and viewers. This is because a lot of kids are not in school and many people are not employed as a result of the pandemic. All these points are confirmation that Microsoft products have performed well even with the difficulties caused by the pandemic. Microsoft has acquired many top companies in the world. About 2 years ago, they acquired the GitHub company at 7.5 billion worth. Is the world's leading platform for developing software. It is a platform that has millions of developers where they learn, share and collaborate in building the future. Also, in 2016, Microsoft acquired LinkedIn with a massive deal of 26.2 billion. When you look at these companies acquired, you will notice there is more to Microsoft than just their products such as Azure and others. LinkedIn and GitHub, among other companies acquired by them, are convincing enough to add them to one's portfolio. Their leadership. The brain behind the wonderful deals of Microsoft solves is traceable to Satya Nadella, who had brought the company right back on the sales track. When he took over the company in the year 2014 as the CEO, they were on a fast losing steam with a disaster experience in the release of Windows 8. The employees struggle behind closed doors to fight for continuously, and at a point in time, both the consumers and developers began to lose interest in Microsoft. An American businessman and investor, Stephen Anthony Baumer, left the company after a total of 14 years, which looks like he hasn't performed well. Observing the stock price during Baumer's period as the CEO, the company made absolutely nothing. In other words, the stock were down. It was this era Apple came back to replace Microsoft as the biggest company in the world. This is how essential a CEO may impact a business. All thanks to Satya Nadella for wonderful turnaround in Microsoft. Their financial, to back up the good job done by Satya, the numbers revealed on the financial of the company are convincing enough. In 2017, the company had revenue of 96 billion. In 2018, 110 billion. In 2019, 125 billion. And for 2020, they have already recorded 143 billion as their revenue according to the income statement of the company. They also had a massive growth in revenue of 29 billion from 2017 to 2019. With an extraordinary rise in the company's net income of 16 billion in 2018, 39 billion in 2019 and 44 billion in this year's record, it is an indication of consistent progress in the company. The balance sheet also shows cash of 137 billion and long-term debt of 62 billion. This means that there would still be a massive wealth if this debt is settled from such cash. From the information gathered from the company's balance sheet, it looks reassuring. Why you need to hold? Getting back to the discussions, if Microsoft is willing to purchase the whole TikTok's company, this would cost around a whopping sum of 59 billion. This implies that either there is an increase to the standing debt for the company or the cash slashes down to purchase the company. If they're willing to buy only the American TikTok company for the sum of 59 billion, it is advisable to buy the stock. With the available cash, this wouldn't be hard for the company to buy. As of 18th of August, Microsoft has a market cap of 1.6 trillion, a trailing P of 37.6% and a forward P of 31%. The company also has a near double-digit growth that stands 9.60% with 11% expected in the next year. They are also poised to go higher in the coming years. Consideration of selling. Considering what evaluation measures of Facebook like, you may begin to wonder if Microsoft is overvalued with what the expected earnings are. Facebook has a forward PE of 31%, also they have grown rate of 11% and expecting growth rate of 24%. With this, would you not think Facebook is undervalued? After review of the company's valuation, I am of the submission that the tradings of the company are extremely rich but not rich in valuation trading. The business looks promising as it's based on subscription to service, cloud streaming and recurring revenue streams. From my point of view, the continuous rise in the company through the new CEO promises more productivity. This has made me gain more interest in the company, even though they have been trading at a very little rate. To summarize this, irrespective of the deal the company has with the TikTok company and either it goes through or not, I would personally rate these stocks as a hold. The recent changes in the company have confirmed that indeed Microsoft is a great company to invest in. There is just too much progress and diversification to turn down this company. With the amazing changes experienced by Microsoft, there is more to expect from this company as they keep growing every day. Of course, be reminded that this is just my opinion and shouldn't be law to you in any way. If you do not maintain the same sentiment with me in this company, then please let me know through the comment section. If you benefit from this video post, encourage me for sharing and linking it, as this would encourage me for more wonderful posts to the newbies in this page. Please endeavor to subscribe to my channel. Now, thank you for being with me. And please let me know your opinion about Microsoft in the comments down below. Share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, stay green and motivated.